What is up, guys? Welcome to the Happy Family Handyman YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be talking about the handlebar installation project into the tile. In the video description you will find the links to all the tools that I used to complete this project successfully, because what I can say is there are lots of tile drill bits, but not all of them are great. I would say very few of them are good, so make sure you check out the links. As a professional handyman in Los Angeles, I recently tackled a project that involved installing safety bars into tile. This task is crucial for enhancing home security and accessibility, particularly in bathrooms or other areas where additional support may be needed. Below, I detail the process, emphasizing the importance of precision and the right tools in handyman services. Alright, step number 1, positioning the safety bars. Before beginning, it's essential to determine the optimal placement for the safety bars. This step is crucial because, unlike drywall, once you drill into tile, there's no easy way back, no easy way to undo it. As a handyman, I take extra care in this planning phase to ensure the best outcome for my clients, taking the time and asking them multiple times where exactly they want the handlebar to be installed, very precisely. Step number 2, marking and preparing for drilling. This step involves marking the drilling points and preparing the necessary tools. For a successful installation, you need a reliable drill, specialized tile drill bits, appropriate anchors, and bath-rated silicone. This preparation is key to a smooth handyman service and a successful completion of the project. Step number 3, drilling into the tile. Drilling into tile requires precision and the right technique. I use a drill with a hammer mode for harder tiles, which reduces bit heating and speeds up the process. For softer tiles, a regular drilling mode suffices. A pro tip for those in handyman services: if the tile is particularly hard, start with a smaller drill bit and gradually increase the size to avoid damage and tile cracking. Step number 4, installing anchors. Choosing the right size anchors is important for the stability of the safety bars. In many cases, attaching the bars directly to studs isn't feasible, especially when tiles extend to the ceiling. As an experienced handyman, I ensure that the anchors are installed securely regardless of the stud placement. Step number 5, applying silicone and finishing touches. To prevent water damage and corrosion, I apply a silicone bead around the anchors and mounting holes. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity of the wall and the longevity of the installation. Adding decorative covers back to the place to the brackets provides a clean, finished look. In conclusion, what I can say is installing safety bars into tile requires a skilled hand and attention to detail, because each and every step is important, and each and every step is pretty easy to make a mistake. As your local handyman, I'm committed to providing top-notch services that ensure safety and satisfaction. For all your handyman needs, from simple repairs to complex installations, feel free to contact me. My name is Elijah and the phone number is 626-361-0593. Cheers!